channel. My name is Fumi Oyelakin, and today I'm going to show you how you can prepare your beans before you cook. You know, Nigerian beans, when you go to open market and you buy your beans, you see that there will be a lot of particles, stone, there will be shafts and all that. So it's not something you can just bring home and start cooking. So for you to reduce your time of preparation for cooking any of your recipe that calls for beans, you need to prepare your beans. And how do you prepare your beans? I want to show you now. Now when you get your beans you can see what I'm saying. You can see it. And you see this one is even. Imagine you are eating beans and the next thing is your teeth just crush that stone. How do you feel? Let me know in the comment section if you've had that experience before. Yeah. The first step, when you get it, you get a tray or something of open, wider space like this. You see this one. You can see it. These are the things that. So, like you have it there. Kind of have. See? You can see what I'm trying to. You can see. You see? You can see. So this one will save you from chewing stone if you are cooking beans. That is if you have beans as a meal, or maybe you want to use it for akara. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. If you've not watched my other video, I'll put the link in the description box, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.